In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for online classes and meetings. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can smoothly navigate this platform for your educational and professional needs. First and foremost, to get started with Google Meet, you'll want to head over to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the Sign In option, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. This is your access point to all the features that Google Meet offers. Click Sign In to proceed. After clicking, you'll need to select your Google account. If you're already logged into your browser with a Google account, you might directly see your options. If not, don't worry, you can easily sign in by entering your email and password. Choosing the correct account is crucial for organizing your meetings and classes seamlessly. With your Google account ready, now move forward by clicking on New Meeting. This option is usually highlighted prominently, guiding you to initiate a fresh meeting. After that, you'll encounter several options. If you're planning a meeting for later, you should click on Create a Meeting for Later. By doing this, Google Meet will generate a unique link for your future event. Now, take note of this important step, copying the generated link. Simply click to copy this URL, which you will later use to invite participants to your meeting. It's similar to handing out a room key to your invitees, granting them access when it's time to start. For those utilizing Google Classroom, your journey doesn't end here. Let's ensure your students or colleagues can easily access this meeting. Head to your class in Google Classroom and navigate to the Classwork tab, found at the top. Clicking on this tab opens up a range of options for organizing your class materials. Within the Classwork section, you'll want to click on the Create button. This is where you can add new assignments, materials, and other helpful resources. In this instance, choose Material. Doing so allows you to distribute resources efficiently to your students. To keep everything organized, type in the title of your material. This could be something clear and straightforward like Upcoming Meeting. You then want to paste that meeting link you've copied earlier here. It's also essential to add context or instructions so your attendees know what to expect or prepare for the meeting. Finally, with everything in place and formatted correctly, glance to the top right corner and click on Post. This action sets everything into motion, ensuring your material is now accessible to all invited participants at the right time. And there you have it, setting up Google Meet for your online classes or meetings in just a few simple steps. Remember, preparation and clear organization go a long way in facilitating smooth communication and learning experiences. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching, and have a great meeting or class using Google Meet.